Good morning everyone. My name is Srijesh. Today is 15 August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day, our national festival. We got independence on 15th August 1947. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. We hoist our national flag on this day. We sing our national anthem. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.